How to connect to Wi-Fi on Samsung M32. First of all, open the Settings app on your phone. You can find it by tapping the gear icon in your app drawer or notification panel. Then, scroll and tap on the connection section. Inside connection, you'll find the Wi-Fi option. Tap on it. Next, make sure the Wi-Fi toggle is switched on to enable wireless connection. Once Wi-Fi is on, your phone will start scanning for nearby networks. You will see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Find the one you want to connect to and tap its name. If it's secure, enter the correct password carefully, then tap connect or join. Once connected, the Wi-Fi icon will appear at the top of your screen, showing a successful connection. If it doesn't connect, double check the password or try moving closer to the router for better signal strength. You can tap on the connected Wi-Fi network to see more options like forgetting the network or sharing as QR code. And that's it. Now you know how to connect to Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.